All right, mamas, Dr. Shauna Mason back with Play-Doh explaining your cervix. So you guys went crazy for my video the other night about cervical effacement, and you had the absolute best question. So I knew there was more of a need to keep educating about what happens to our body as our baby gets ready to be born. So this is another Play-Doh model, which clearly is the best way to explain labor. So the dark purple is your uterus, and this lighter purple is your cervix. And so many of you ask, like, where does it go if it's not there anymore? Which was such a great question. So the cervix and the uterus are technically cohesive organs. They're separate anatomically. They're made of different types of cells and they have different functions in our body, but they're actually connected, just like your finger is connected to your hand. So this is the difference. This is what we can see when we do your speculum exam. We can see the cervix there. And then this is where your baby's head is sitting, right? Just like this. So as our contractions build, and the baby starts pushing down in the pelvis and gravity weighs heavily on us, which is why you're feeling all of that pressure. It slowly, pushes down and flattens out that cervix, which is effacement. Now I'm going to take this away. It doesn't actually go away. It's still there. It's just thinned out so much that we can't feel it anymore, right? So imagine this is all still connected, one big cervix. This would be a long cervix, right? Still a lot of consistency there, 1 centimeter dilated. I can only fit one finger through. But as all these days at the end of pregnancy, walking, bouncing on your birthing ball, doing all those things, the baby's head just keeps pushing, pushing, pushing. And this now is only this part, and it's just continued to flatten out, right? And this happens as a result of pressure from the baby's head, hormones that are released at the end of pregnancy, specifically relaxin, that helps get the uterus and the cervix ready for labor, as well as relax some of our joints in our pelvis. And it allows the cervix to thin out. And then as you continue in labor, it gets softer and thinner and dilated all the way to 10 centimeters so that your baby can pass through. So that is where it goes. It just thins out and becomes still cohesive with the uterus until your baby can pass through it safely. Hope this helps.